Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open your dollar bead bag and box for May of 2024. So I'm going to put the box aside. So two separate subscriptions. Let's see if I can get my lights better. Here's the dollar bead bag. This is $8 a month. You get 4 strands of 3mm fire polish and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish. Let's pull them out. So here are all our 3s. And here are the 4s. And we'll pull in a little bit. Okay, let's start with the 3mm. And I love to show them together because they always look so pretty together. So first up is Jonquil. And this is sort of it's like a clear, sandy, yellowish color. So you get 50 beads to the strand. Then we have Crystal Yellow Green Maria. That's this one. Really pretty. So very, very, reflective and some very pretty colors in there. And then we have Brick Red or Crystal Ruby Luster. I'm going to say this is Crystal Ruby Luster. That's really pretty. So you get one or the other. And then we have Siam Satin. So here are your 3s. Okay, here are your 4s. So the 4mm, again, 50 beads to the strand. Olive green, half copper or half brass. Half copper. I love that shine on that. Isn't that pretty? That's beautiful. And then we have matte emerald. Love a matte bead, and that emerald is such a pretty color. Look at this. And then we have watermelon or matte watermelon. Pretty. And then we have opaque red or matte opaque red coral. So this is coming through on my little screen here as being very orange, but it isn't. It's more of a reddish coral color. So really pretty. So here are our 3s and here are our 4s. So just a great deal, $1 a strand, and so $8 a month. So check it out, see if it's right for you. I have a coupon code, which I'll put up on the screen and in the description box below the video. So let's take a look at the box. I've taken everything out of the box, and the box is as low as $18.50 a month, but it changes. It depends on your subscription, so you need to check it out and see which subscription is right for you. And I will put a link in the description box below the video, as long as as well as that coupon code I was talking about. So here's our letter for May 2024. Welcome to this month's box of creativity and inspiration. So they have a lot of fun colors here. If you need more items, they're only $1 each in their online shop. And they have some exclusive offers, and I'll let you look at those, where they have a coupon code for certain beads. And then here's all their social media. Here is the list. So let's get started looking at these beads. Okay, let's look at them close up. Like as I said, I love holding them together. So the strands, we have a 4mm check glass Druck in topaz. You get 50 pieces. It's a beautiful topaz color. Isn't that pretty? Reminds me of sand. I mean, you can put any of these topaz colors with, beachy colors, like turquoises and blues and such, if you want to get a beach theme going. Then we have a 3x5mm check glass gem cut rondelle light topaz, 25 pieces. That's this one. Beautiful. And then we have a 6mm check glass Druck in light topaz. And next up we have, it says bicone, but it is a pinch bead. So that's a little typo there. But look at that pinch bead. Isn't that cool? It's red, brown, and ochre, 30 pieces. And in the 6mm you get 25 pieces. And then I'll get to the next bead. I've taken it off the strand. I'll show it to you in a second. This is 5x8mm check glass donut, red with black and violet, 25 pieces. So really pretty. This almost reminds me a little of candy corn, but very, very pretty. Okay, and so the other strand, which I cut open, is an Orion bead. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing that correctly. 4mm. So this is like a little star. It's in jet. And you get 30 pieces. So a really nice little spacer. So here are your strands. Here are the strands. And then next up we have additional items. So we have a 4x14mm check glass coin bead. That's really pretty. Opaque red, 4 pieces. Again, it looks orange on my screen. I'm not sure if it comes through on, on the movie as orange, but it isn't. It's a real cool red. And then we have a 10mm check glass fire polish in jet, 6 pieces, and that's a nice big chunky fire polish bead. That's pretty. Next up we have this really pretty tabular square check glass 10mm opaque red travertine, and isn't that pretty? It looks like a stone. It looks like that, what's the name of it? Dragon's blood stone. I don't remember the actual, mineral stone name, but very, very pretty. And you get 6 pieces, and then we have a 3x5mm check glass daisy in Siam, 30 pieces, so a great little, again, a little spacer bead. Okay, next up we have another 3x5mm check glass daisy, so another great little spacer bead in white opal, 30 pieces. And look at this guy, 12x25mm check glass tabular oval in jet, 2 pieces. And look at the design on that. Isn't that pretty? Both sides. That's beautiful. See, I love their focal beads. They do such a good job. Really gorgeous. Look at these. These are cool. These are 7x10mm check glass twisted oval in dark red. You get 8 pieces, and the same thing in green opal. And you get 8 pieces. And they look like little chips, like stones, don't they? Like pebbles. Very pretty. These 11x16mm check glass heart leaf, alabaster Picasso with red, 2 pieces, and that's so pretty. It looks like a carved stone, and it looks like a heart, but it's a leaf. Isn't that cool? And then we have these dyed bamboo coral chip in red, between 10 and 14mm. You get 2 pieces. It'd be nice to somehow incorporate these two together. That's really pretty together. Next up we have some tiara cast, and we have bird in tree charm, 12x17mm antique silver plate, 1 piece. Very cute charm. And look at this bead. Isn't that gorgeous? This is 8 to 12 by 12 to 24mm because it's handmade, so it's going to vary in size. Nepalese handmade 6-layer chevron bead. Isn't that cool? Look at that. That's so pretty. That would make a great little tassel, wouldn't it? That is really, really pretty. So gorgeous, gorgeous handmade bead here. So you get 1 of those. Okay, here are your goodies for May 2024. So here's your box. Here's your bag. If you can swing both, they always go together so beautifully. So don't forget to check out the link in the description box below the video, as well as the coupon code that'll be up on the screen and in the description box. So check it out, see what you think. Take a look at their website. It's really nice. It's a real fun, easy to navigate website. All right, so I want to thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.